Close your eyes. Imagine the life you have always wanted. Not the life you settle for, not the life you dream about when you fall asleep, but the life that feels impossible, yet deeply familiar in your mind. This is not a fantasy. This is the power of your mind. Every thought you hold, every image you nurture in silence, shapes the world you walk into tomorrow. It begins with a single picture, a vision. You see yourself crossing that finish line. You see yourself standing on that stage, speaking your truth. You see the home you dream of, the work that fulfills you, the person you hope to become. And slowly, imperceptibly, your mind starts to align. Neurons fire in patterns that mirror your imagined reality. Your brain begins to rehearse success, failure, resilience, and victory long before it happens in the physical world. Visualization is not magic, it is science. Athletes, musicians, innovators, leaders, they do it every day. Before lifting a trophy, before delivering a speech, before painting their masterpiece, they see it first. Every movement, every emotion, every detail, rehearsed inside the theater of the mind. And you can too. Not just for victories, not just for success, but for clarity, for peace in chaos, for courage when fear threatens to hold you still. Pause for a moment. Think about your greatest fear, the thing that keeps you awake at night. Now imagine confronting it. See yourself standing tall. Hear your voice calm and steady. Feel the fear shrink under the weight of your vision. This is what the mind can do. Not by forcing, not by wishing, but by creating a blueprint, an internal map of what is possible. Consider the neurons in your brain like a network of paths in a forest. Every time you visualize, you carve a trail. Every time you see your success, your happiness, your growth, the path becomes clearer. And when the moment arrives, your mind guides you effortlessly. The mind doesn't distinguish between imagination and reality at first. If you experience it vividly enough, your body reacts as if it is real. Your heart races, your muscles prepare, your brain rehearses every nuance. This is why visualization is transformative. It turns dreams into rehearsed actions. It turns fear into preparation. It turns uncertainty into possibility. Think of history's great innovators, the inventors who saw the machine before it existed, the writers who saw worlds before they wrote a single word, the leaders who saw nations transformed before they took a single step. They did not wait for circumstances to align. They aligned themselves with their vision. And you can do the same. Whether it's personal growth, professional success, or healing a fractured heart, visualization is the bridge between the life you have and the life you desire. Pause. Breathe. See your day tomorrow, the next week, the next year. See yourself stronger, smarter, kinder. See obstacles not as walls, but as challenges you are ready to overcome. Your mind is a garden, and every image you hold is a seed. Nurture the seeds of hope, courage, and clarity. Pull out the weeds of doubt, fear, and indecision. And one day, your mind blooms with a reality that once only existed in thought. Even science confirms it. Studies show that mental rehearsal activates the same regions of the brain as physical practice. Visualization strengthens neural pathways. It makes the impossible familiar. It prepares you for action. The power of visualization lies not in magic. It lies in commitment, in patience, in faith that your mind can sculpt the future before your hands ever touch it. And when life challenges you, and it will, your vision will guide you. It will remind you of your strength. It will remind you of your purpose. It will remind you of the tomorrow you imagined. So, start today. Close your eyes. Picture the life you desire. Every detail, every feeling, every sense. Hold it. Breathe it. Believe it. Because the mind is waiting. Your future is waiting. And the life you long for is already being shaped inside you. Unlock your mind, visualize your tomorrow, and step into the life you were always meant to live.